Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen T-Roc. This vehicle has done just over 27,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist. And on the right, we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right, we have navigation, Apple CarPlay, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with park distance control, front and rear parking sensors. Just below is our dual zone climate control, and as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full cloth black and grey interior.